Earth Rhythm Renew Overnight Gel with 70% snail mucin. If you are interested, keep watching. Welcome to our channel Life Addictions. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. It is a healing and soothing gel mask meant for sensitive skin. It is sulfate free, silicone free, paraben free, cruelty free, organic, natural and eco-friendly. The MRP of it is 899 rupees for 50 ml of product. I got this for 854 rupees, but it is now available for around 765 rupees on Amazon. On the packaging, it is written that Renew Overnight Gel helps restore moisture and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The snail mucin is naturally rich in skin renewing properties like proteins, collagen, elastin, glycolic acid and vitamins. This healthy aging formula is blended with aloe vera and hyaluronic acid and other natural ingredients to replenish and rejuvenate your complexion. So it comes in this white cardboard packaging, inside which there is this glass bottle. It is a thick glass bottle. The top part is of plastic. It has got a pump packaging. So its packaging is really cute and quite eco-friendly. It is reusable. The ingredient list is very small. I'm going to mention the full ingredient list on the screen right now. The top 5 ingredient lists are distilled water, snail filtrate, aloe, leaf juice, sodium hyaluronate, citrate lemon fruit extract. Now I'm not going to explain distilled water because as we all know it is used as mostly solvent. The second ingredient is snail filtrate. It helps in cell regeneration and repairs damaged skin. So it has got a lot of snail mucin in it, which is 70%. If you are into K-beauty, I'm sure you must have heard about snail mucin a lot of time. Aloe juice is supposed to reduce acne and it is antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Sodium hyaluronate has great water holding property which keeps skin hydrated. Citrus fruit lemon extract can act as a mild exfoliator. This product is EcoCert certified organic and natural. It has got benzyl alcohol in it which might scare some people, but benzyl alcohol can be naturally found in many fruits. It acts as a preservative and less than 1% is not harmful at all. And they have mentioned it towards the end. It has got usage time of 1 year after which it expires. I have used a snail cream before it. When I went to Thailand, I bought this snail white cream and not because I bought it not because of its whitening claim, but because I was very curious to use snail mucin on my skin. So after using it for a month or two, it gave me very tight and glowy skin. So I tried to buy another pack from India, but it wasn't available on any trustworthy website. I'm very scared to buy imported stuffs from random websites. Plus, we have to give such high shipping charge, high taxes if we like to import products. So this is the first time I have seen that Indians have come up with a snail cream and with such high concentration of snail mucin in it. So let's talk about its consistency. It is obviously like a gel, as I told you. I don't know why I feel like it smells like jaggery. It has got lemon extract in it, but for me it smells like jaggery powder. I don't know why, but this smell is not overpowering. It goes away after some time, and I'm glad they haven't used any fragrance in it, because you know fragrance causes skin irritation on sensitive skin. Now this product is not extremely moisturizing. Like if you have very dry skin, you will need to use another moisturizer with it. On my oily skin, This is a miracle, and this works really great on my skin. Um, and it gives me enough moisture. But if you have dry skin, I think you will have to use a separate moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. It hasn't been long since I started using it. It has been about a week. I feel it is improving my skin texture. When I apply this on my skin, I feel like a layer is covering on my face. After some times, this layer vanishes into the skin, and it makes my skin moisturized. But for some time, for about few minutes, I do feel a layer on my skin, but it shouldn't bother because it is supposed to be used as a gel mask as the last step of your skincare routine at night. But I use it in my morning routine as well. So I think this is a very light moisturizing gel. Please comment below whether you like my review or not. Any questions or any suggestions are welcome. Please subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to stay connected with me, and please press the like button. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay happy and keep glowing always. Hello guys, today I am going to review Earth Rhythm Renew Overnight Gel with 70% Snail Renew.